Hello, everyone. I am Mike May of Horizon Consulting, co-author with God, A Business with Purpose. Today's video session, we're going to cover off what we would cover in session 12, dealing with government. And I have done some research, and I actually have discovered that in particular in Canada and the United States, if we have a business, and in Canada, it would be a proprietorship or a partnership that's not a corporation. And that portion of our income would have to be reported onto a T1 general. And if you end up garnering a taxable amount of $3,000 or more, the Canada Revenue Agency, or the CRA, says, hey, you have to prepay your taxes in the following year. And those are called in Canada tax installments. Now, tax installments are reported and remitted in 4 equal quarters. And those quarters are March 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and December 15th. And then when you prepay those taxes in those quarters, then the following year, when you do report your taxes, you get to report what you've remitted to them already as a tax deduction. And then you either, if you've overpaid, then you get a tax refund, or you just pay out the balance in the following year. And if you keep owing $3,000 or more continuously, then you will continue to pay these tax installments. In the United States, it's very similar. When we have a reportable income and then our tax bill exceeds $1,000, then the IRS, or the Internal Revenue Service, says, hey, you owe us money, and we're going to cause you to make pay your estimated taxes, that's called estimated taxes, in 4 equal payments again. And you have to report the income from January to March on April 15th, April and May on June 15th, June to August on September 15th, and then from September to December on January 15th the following year. And then when you file your 1040 return, and that's because of a flow through from an LLC, an S Corp, or a proprietorship. So again, there's these entities that are reported onto a 1040. Then you take the estimated tax, apply it as a tax deduction, and then if you've overpaid, then you get a refund, or you pay out the balance and at the time that you're supposed to report it. Now, in Canada, the filing deadline for businesses is June 15th, but the amount that has to be paid in tax is due by April 30th. In the United States, the amount due and the filing deadline is April 15th. So really, in the end, it's all about prepaying taxes to the right authority. Now, if you're watching this and you're in the United States, Canada, or anywhere around the world, Session 12 does not cover off in detail, because taxes are far too wide and broad for any jurisdiction for us to be able to cover it in one session. So what we've done is I gave you an outline of who to identify as tax authorities, whether they're on the federal, state, provincial, county, or municipal level, or in like WCB or employment, payroll taxes or anything like that. So it's even covering off different types of taxes. So really what we do is we help you cover off to identify and do your homework, filling out what you need to do, saying, okay, I need to pay this tax, that tax, this tax, and that tax. And then also maybe get the help of a lawyer, a CPA, or a bookkeeper. Anyways, that is today's session. I hope you found this video very helpful, and God bless.